Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Thinkphone device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. Firstly, let's start with disabling all unnecessary features. To do it, just open control panel and find here all unnecessary features. So if you are using Wi-Fi right now but not using mobile internet, just disable mobile internet. If you are using mobile internet but not using Wi-Fi, just disable the Wi-Fi. Disable Bluetooth if you're not using Bluetooth right now. Disable hotspot, nearby share. Disable NFC and location services. If you don't have location services here, just click on the pencil button, scroll down, find location here, drag it to the upper part of your screen, click back, and here you will see location, okay, click on it, and this way you will disable location services. Great. The second way is to enable dark mode. Your phone has LED screen. It means that in dark parts of your screen is disabled. So if you will have many dark parts of on your screen in these parts will not consume your battery power. So just open settings, open display, find your dark theme and click OK. And as you can see, here we have a dark theme, and now in all applications we will have black or dark appearance. As you can see, all applications now I have dark. Just check it. All apps, really all applications. So let's check third-party apps. For example, YouTube, dark, Firefox, dark, Edge, dark, maybe not too dark, but dark too. Files, Epic Games always dark. So that's it. And the last step to make your phone live longer with battery, to improve your battery life. So open settings, open battery here, and find battery saver here. You can enable this mode. In this mode, your device will consume less RAM, and in this way your device will consume less battery power. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.